Hey guys, it's Jake Hall, the Manufacturing Millennial. I hope you guys are having a great day. So a lot of vision applications, selecting the proper lensing and lighting is going to be the most difficult and also the most important part of your vision inspection. When we're inspecting holes or internal diameters of parts, a lot of times that can be hard to get the correct viewing angle, and also the lighting when we're looking at as we know, a curved part can be very difficult with shadows. So there's a really cool application, or I guess you could say product, from Opto Engineering, and that's the PCHI Lens series. So this is a very unique lens where they have a very small, almost pinprick hole in the front of the lens where a bunch of mirrors are converging onto this single point. Then when a part is placed close up to the front of this lens head, I'm able to see the internal diameter of, let's say, weld nuts, or looking at internal labeling of a roll, and be able to do inspection and measurements from a single direction rather than using multiple cameras. In addition to this, they have the LTRN series, which is their new vision light that works in series with the PCHI. So this is a clampable ring light that would clamp on top of the lens and allows me to do a nice front light where I can run in either continuous or strobe mode and be able to front light my nut or my internal diameter to do that inspection. So let's go ahead and let's set it up with the Banner VE camera I have mounted at my workstation, and let's see what we can view using the PCHI lens.
Alright, so here we have an application where I have a Lego wheel with some of my daughter's Daniel Tigers sticked inside of it. So as we can see, when we're looking down from a top view with a normal lens with this camera here, we're unable to see the stickers inside of this wheel well. But when I take it and I press it underneath here, we can see on the screen when I get this centered, I'm able to view the outside walls and diameters to see all the different animals and features looking at it through this Banner VE camera. Alright, so here's another application that we're looking at. We have our duct tape roll inside of here, which has all of our writing inside of here, where if we wanted to do like a OCR or a label inspection, we would have to use multiple cameras, or we'd have to spin the disc. When here, if this was moving down a conveyor, we wanted to check the inspection or label inside of this part, we could simply use the camera and look down and do an OCR or a label recognition using the vision software.
Alright everyone, thanks for checking out this lens from Opto Engineering. Until then, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.